Greetings to all. As we all know, today we have gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversary of Dr. Radhakrishnan. I would like to call my friend Samiksha to welcome the gathering.
Warm welcome to my dear teachers and my friends. Today, we all have gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan as Teachers' Day. We all know that it is impossible to define teacher, as teachers are not only limited to teaching or guiding students in academics, but also helping students take the right path. They add value to our character and make us ideal citizens of the country. Teachers play a prominent role in influencing and inspiring us. They mold our personality and provide us a bright future. Apart from academics, teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate, and inspire us to become better people. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From them leads the ideas and thoughts that one day each one of us will use to provide back into this society. I would like to extend my gratitude to all my beloved teachers for their selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you.
स्पेशल क्लैप्स रेडी गो सब जन हल्ला करो भाई वेरी गुड
You people forgot how to go for special clap, I believe.
No, sir, nothing like that.
No,
सर
sir.
ऐसे करना है
Okay, let's go ahead with the program now.
Thank you, Samiksha. My classmate Sanya would like to share her views.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. It gives me immense pleasure to be here to share my views about Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September. This day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. He wanted this day to celebrate as Teachers' Day. On this day, we students get an opportunity to tell our teachers how and why they are special to us. Our teachers are source of knowledge and wisdom. They are our second parents who mold our personality and provided a bright future. They impact good values in us and transforms us into a responsible citizen. Students all over the country celebrates this day to pay respect to their teachers. Our teachers are taking tireless efforts to teach through online education system in lockdown. They are doing their level best to save our one academic year. We are thankful for them.
Thank you, Sanya. We have prepared a few posters for our teachers. I would like to present it.
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे खूटे से बंदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके आसमां का शाम आना आज हमें है सजाना क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए खुद को जरा पहचान तू धूप है झम से बिखर तू है नदी ओ बेखबर बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू मौसम का है मेहमान तू। बासी जिंदगी उदासी ताजी हंसने को राजी गर्म गर्म सारी अभी अभी है उतारी। जिंदगी तो है बताशा मीठी मीठी सी है आशा चकले रख ले हथेली से ढक ले से। तुझ में अगर प्यास है बारिश का घर भी पास है। रोके तुझे कोई क्यों भला संग संग तेरे आकाश है। धूल धूप है शम से बिखर तू है नदी बेखबर बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही।
Sir has joined. Welcome Vijay sir. Welcome class. Ready?
Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you,
sir.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Thank you all.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. There are power
Happy
cuts. I couldn't join without that. Okay.
Good morning, Vijay Narasimha sir. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy
Teachers Day, sir.
Good morning, sir. Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Nitin, sir.
But sir has joined.
Good morning, Helmut sir.
Good morning.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Thank you very much. Happy Teachers Day, Helmut sir.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Thank you very much.
Happy Teachers Day, Helmut sir.
Thank you very much.
Prabhat.
सर्वेभ्यः शिक्षक दिवसस्य शुभाशयाः.
ಏನ್ ಸಮಾಚಾರ ಸರ್? ಸರ್
ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಸಮಾಚಾರ ಸರ್?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಮಾಚಾರ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಮಾಚಾರ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay. Go ahead with the meet.
Continue the program.
Moving on with today's program, now I call upon Nandini to speak a few lines on our senior most teacher present with us, Sheshadri sir.
If your attention is divided by added distraction, multiply your mental traction by doing a simple subtraction. The most important thing that I have learned from my maths teacher. He never said this in front of the whole class, but still he meant it in his funny scoldings. Of course, my maths teacher did not teach me how to add love and how to subtract hate from life, but he has given me a hope that all sums and problems will have a solution. Sir, you are the sun who made me shine like a star. You are the one who planted me until the day you have been watering me. An amazing teacher is hard to find and impossible to forget. A teacher like you is one in a million, sir. We may not remember everything that you have said, but we will remember how special you made us feel. To the world, you are just a teacher, but to the student, you are the star. Thank you for each and every piece of knowledge that you have given. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, but what should I eat to make an amazing teacher like you always come my way? Teaching is the greatest act of optimist. Thank you for all that you have been doing till now. Thank you, sir, for helping me bloom. Thank you, sir, for being my teacher. On this great occasion, of Teachers' Day, I would like to dedicate my lines to my maths teacher, Sheshadri sir. Happy Teachers' Day, sir.
Thank you, Nandini. Our beloved Shri Vishnu would like to speak a few lines on our favorite Sanskrit teacher, Alambat sir.
Good evening. This is Shloka in Sanskrit. Annam danam param danam vidya danam atah param annena chanikah truptihi yavat jivam cha vidyaya. It means that feeding a hungry person is a top charity, but giving knowledge to others is the topmost charity. One feels happy for just a moment when he is given food, but knowledge will be with him throughout his life and will help him to fulfill his needs. Teachers are our real heroes. They give us the most precious wealth, which is knowledge. They are the pillars of our country and play a very vital role in one's life. Teacher is called Guru in Sanskrit, which means the person who takes us from ignorance to knowledge. Alambat sir is my favorite Sanskrit teacher. He's a very friendly, supportive and hardworking teacher. He's a huge source of knowledge. He has motivated me a lot to learn Sanskrit, which was a very tough language for me. So, on this occasion, I would like to salute all the teachers who have worked very hard, even in tough situations, to teach us.
That was wonderful. Thank you, Vishnu. Guru is Brahma, who is Lord of creation. Guru is Vishnu. Guru is Maheshwara. Since Guru leads to the path of light, Guru is that Parabrahma. We bow to that Guru. Next in line, we would like to present a video album on our teachers.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara,
Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru
Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
1 minute. Chaudhary sir, where is the sweet packet for this bullet? When did you purchase that bullet?
He's on the way.
In the bullet on the day.
No, bullet only, sir. Thank you, Matthew sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Nice Prajwal. Nice Prajwal.
Great, Prajwal.
Go ahead.
Hope you all liked it. Next, I would like to present a small video on our English teacher, Vijay sir. Hello friends, today I would like to say a few lines about our English teacher, Vijay sir. It takes a special person to teach a child in class, to just keep his attention in a world that moves so fast, to show a child is unique with talents deep inside, to help to build his confidence so he can beam with pride, to show little patience for a child who's lost his way, to a child who feels abandoned, who has seen better days, to inspire and to motivate, so a child can learn and grow, to give into this big wide world that has its highs and lows. You are a special person, Vijay sir. You always give your best, and for every child who has your class, their life is truly blessed. My friend Ullas wishes to present his view on Nitin sir, our beloved social teacher.
Hello, dear friends. Today I, Ullas, will speak a few words on my favorite teacher. Teachers are our second parents. They not only look after us, but also seed knowledge and values in us. They teach us not only the lessons of our books, but also the lessons of our life. There are many teachers in our school who had already taught us and who are yet to come. With all my heart, I respect and like them equally. My favorite teacher is Nitin Srivastav sir. He teaches us social science, which needs a lot of attention. For me, social science was a difficult subject to manage, especially history. But as he started to teach us, it became easier to me. He always tries his level best to make us understand the concepts. He always motivates us to come forward. When it comes to our homework, he makes us feel that it is for our practice but not as a burden. He is always ready to help us at any moment. He is strict but gentle. Thank you.
Thank you, Ulas. Thank you all.
Thank you, Ullas. My friend Swayam would like to share a few lines on our class teacher, Dr. Matthew Chako sir.
Hello, dear friends. I, Swayam, would love to speak about my teacher, my role model, Dr. Matthew Chako. When I see him, I get a bright, shimmering light which motivates me and tells me to give much more of myself. He's a very friendly person and always in a cherished mood. He's a very enthusiastic person and a die-hard romantic. He has always stood there for me when I was in a dark place and always motivated me to never give up and do more. Today, if I am so joyful and cherished, is all because of his support. He's a very dedicated teacher who doesn't teach us a theory-based science, but teaches us the life skills which are useful for us in the upcoming future. He hasn't taught us to be a good employee, a good engineer, nor a good doctor. He has taught us to first become a good citizen and a good human being. I always hope to reach the milestones which he has reached and achieve success in life, because he has taught me to think big and achieve big. Thank you.
Good job, Swam.
The best teacher teaches from the heart, not from the book. Thank you for being a wonderful teacher. You deserve recognition for all the sacrifices that you make. You are more than a teacher to me. I thank you. Today I celebrate you for being selfless, devoted, hardworking, and wise. I am grateful to be your student. On this day, we honor teachers like you who give of themselves in all what they do. Thank you, Avinash sir, Sumalini ma'am, Ramesh sir, and Rashekar sir. You all have always been an excellent educator who knew how to illuminate a soul with its light.
Yes, you are correct, Preeti. Without them, our school life would have definitely been boring. A small quiz was conducted in the morning on how well do you know your teacher. I call upon Shiv.
Good morning, everyone. In today's quiz, 31 students have participated. I would like to congratulate all the 31 who have participated in today's quiz. Now, I'm happy to announce that the second prize is jointly shared by two people, and they are Samiksha and Preeti. And now, the first prize goes to Preeti Shri.
Vishnu,
Congratulations.
Samiksha and Preeti. Samiksha and Preeti, where are you? Did you hear?
Samiksha.
Wow,
Samiksha
wow.
and Preeti.
Chalo, okay.
Who got first place?
That
Very
is
good.
suspense.
Thank you, sir.
Let's see.
First prize.
Now, the first prize goes to Kirti Shri.
Kirti Shri.
All Kirti Shri, get online. कहाँ है लड़की?
Kirti Shri कहाँ है भाई?
यही हूँ सर.
Get on the
Ah.
screen.
Oh, very good. First place.
Why?
How many points?
Sir, some conspiracy is there, sir. Sheshadri, sir.
Tell me.
Conspiracy.
All the girls in the way. See? Then here also major role, girls.
Some conspiracy there under.
Something malicious,
what is
sir.
that? What is that?
Vishnu. How
Vishnu.
that sir won the prize, not any boy.
Yes, sir.
Vishnu, some गोलमाल किया शायद.
If Vishnu had won, I would have thought that truth
Vishnu
prevails.
गोलमाल किया कुछ ना कुछ. Very good, very good. Okay, children, all the best. Matthew
Very
sir,
good, very
congratulations. Matthew sir, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
You are nice guy.
Yes. Coming to the conclusion now, almost over now.
Prajwal, I'm very happy to see all this one. Okay, keep it up, and I should be grateful to you. You have shown more respect from all the students. Okay, did you record this? No. Then you please send to me afterwards. Okay. Thank you.
Congratulations to all those who actively took part in the quiz. There's a slideshow prepared to present the love qualities of our teachers. I would wish to play that.
Very good, Prajwal.
Oh, very good.
We all have loved.
Next, my friend Pushpa would like to express her gratitude to our teachers.
Good morning, everybody. These are challenging times for everyone, and it's difficult for all of us to adapt ourselves to the drastic changes taking place around us. One such change was brought into education system during the time of COVID-19 pandemic to keep all of us learning. Such changes are not easy to acclimatize. During such tough times, all my teachers really worked hard for me as well as many of my friends. So, I would like to thank all my teachers for helping me as well as many of my classmates for coping up with the change. There are so many teachers whom I would wish to express my sincere gratitude. In particular, I would like to take Nitin sir's name. There are so many qualities which I like in him. I have tried to mention a few, so I am grateful for you, sir. Wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you, sir.
That was wonderful, Pushpa.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Pushpa. Moving towards the final event of the day, I would like to call my friend Komal to wind up today's meet with her speech.
I would like to mention a quote by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, in which he says, "The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers." I think this quote is very true. Our teachers play a very important role in transforming a child into a good and wise person. They also are responsible in making a child stand up on his or her legs. Well, words are not enough to express the important role teachers play in our lives. We will remain indebted to them forever. I would like to conclude this speech by thanking all my teachers for their great support and for always standing by our side. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day.
Shadri sir, get on line.
With that, we have come to end of today's program. Now, I would wish our teachers to express their views on today's program. First, I would request Sheshadri sir to share his views. Sheshadri sir.
Shadri sir, get on line. Okay, then, but sir.
I would request our beloved Alambad sir to share his views on today's program.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru.
Yes. यही तो हालत है.
He has a class, I think, so I'm. No, he has a class, I think.
No, sir, he is there.
हमारे yes. सारे म्यूट कीजिए.
It's breaking actually. Something wrong. Why is it breaking?
प्लीज म्यूट. सारे म्यूट कीजिए. यही तो हमारी हालत है. ये टेक्नोलॉजी को कैसे अपनाना, ये आप लोगों से हम सीख रहे हैं. तो गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा अभी छात्र हो गए. तो गुरु छात्र है. सचमुच मैं यही कहना चाहता हूं, छात्र यदि गुरु बनते हैं तो गुरु से भी महागुरु बन जाते हैं. तो इसका निदर्शन हमें आज मिला है. तो इसे कायम रखिए. आपको जो कुछ भी मिला है उसको आप बांटिए. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूं, आपके छोटे क्लास के बच्चों को पकड़ पकड़ कर उनको पढ़ाइए. तब वो आप लोगों को समझ में आता है टीचर्स की क्या कठिनाइयां हैं, वो भी आपको समझ में आता है. दूसरा, आपका जो ज्ञान है, ज्ञान बढ़ता है. व्यये कृते वर्धत एव नित्यम. ये विद्याधन ऐसा है, खर्च करने से बढ़ने वाला धन है. तो इसलिए मैं सारे बच्चों से शिक्षक दिवस की शुभकामनाएं देते हुए यही कहना चाहता हूं कि सबके सभी टीचर्स बनिए। मतलब सैलरी लीजिए वो नहीं बोल रहा हूं, टीचर्स बनिए। आप सैलरी के लिए कोई भी काम कीजिए, परंतु ये जो शिक्षा का प्रसार करने का काम सिर्फ शिक्षकों पर मत छोड़िए, आप लीजिए, जिम्मेदारी लीजिए। आपके पास जो भी ज्ञान है उसको बांटिए। तो इस प्रकार यदि करेंगे तो जितने भी छात्र हैं, अभी आप 10th D में 64 शिक्षक बन गए, 64 के 64 शिक्षक है। तो देखिए शिक्षकों की संख्या इतनी बढ़ गई, तो स्वाभाविक है ये शिक्षा फैल जाए। और ज्यादा कुछ संस्कृत नॉलेज सिस्टम इसके बारे में जानने के लिए YouTube में मेरे चैनल पे चाहिए, तो आज ही उसे देखिए, क्योंकि आज ही शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पर मैंने अपलोड किया है। आप सभी को फिर से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। बहुत अच्छे बनेंगे, आपके वजह से हमारा देश विश्व गुरु बनेगा। बस यही कामना करते हुए आप सभी को शाबाशी देते हुए मेरे वक्तव्य को विराम देता हूं। धन्यवाद।
शाबाशी, क्लैप्स, रेडी, गो। सर दिखा दीजिए शाबाशी कैसे करते हैं।
Thank you, Alambat sir, for your inspiring words for us. Now, I would like to request Vijay sir to share his views on today's program.
Is he there in the meet?
So he's there. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon,
Yes,
sir.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon,
sir.
everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Now, see, students, what you have just conducted is not just a Google Meet. I tell you, this can be a part of history also. Simply because this sort of situation may not arise again in the future. And we are all, including me and all of us, are a part of history. This is a very nice tale to tell your grandchildren also. We had a meeting like this on Teachers' Day. We gave them all the gratitude through this. Right? It feels very good to be a part of this. And for the initiative, especially I convey my thanks to Matthew sir and his team, headed by Prajwal. And I could see how it was just like a expert technician is handling the show today. It's nice to see. It's really good. And I tell you, students, now not much to actually tell you because you have been with me for about 3 years, maybe the longest duration I have spent time with you. So I always want to tell you that famous line in your classroom.
Be yourself.
Be yourself. That's it. That's it. Okay. Thank you for all the love and affection that you have shown through this Google Meet. Thank you very much. I wish you all the good for the upcoming examination also. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Now, I would request our social science teacher, Nitin sir, to share his views on today's program.
First of all, I would like to congratulate you, Prajwal, and Chako sir for handling this wonderful program. And it feels amazing to be a part of this organization, and especially the students like you who make us feel proud at every exing of life. And this program was handled in a very professional way, and I'm really amazed to see how you conducted the things, and you made us feel really wonderful. Like we have got to know that the programs can be conducted like this also. And I would like to thank all the students for having those wonderful words for me. And I would like to wish you all the very best of luck for your future. And I know that you all are sensible enough to choose the right path. But I just want to convey one thing that it's if you talk about knowledge, if you talk about wisdom, if you talk about learning, just always remember one thing: the more we share, the more we gain, right? So जितना आप लोग इसको बांटेंगे उतना आप लोग को मिलेगा. So whatever you know, whatever you come to know about these things, you should share it with your friends, with your juniors, so that they could also have a wonderful life just like you. So with this, I would like to congratulate you all once again. Thank you very much for this amazing program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. For me also, it would have not been possible without my team support. I would like to thank them also. Now, I would request our class teacher, Dr. Matthew Chako, to express his views.
First question that needs to be asked: am I audible?
One minute. Yes, sir.
The most
Yes, sir.
Yes, children.
One minute, sir. Vijay, sir. Vijay, sir, mute your mic. Vijay, sir, mute your mic.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
him. So this is something which we always follow for our Google Meet. Others have to mute their audio and they have to switch off their video. But my technical expert team, head by many people, I can't take the credit on my own, or I can't give the credit to anyone. But all have equally contributed in some way or the other. So hats off to each and every one of you. And as such, if you remember, I don't know whether our senior teachers remember it or not. One time Rajeshwari madam had come on inspection day, and these two fellows, Prajwal and Swayam, she had labeled them as sound engineers. So without any hiccups, without any interruption, the show go on. So we always say the show must go on. So that is simply awesome. That I can't give the right word for it. And I can only say awesome. So technical experts, you are technical experts. Technical experts की जरूरत पड़ती है कौन बने करोड़पति में. और सभी टीचर्स ने मेरा नाम लिया. मैं तो बस एक छोटा सा नन्हा सा प्राणी हूँ इस पूरे महासमुंदर में. तो ये बच्चे अगर हम वही तो डांस करके दिखा दीजिए सर. तो
Sir, always ready.
Okay. Thank you. तो इस तरह से मैं ज्यादा समय नहीं लूंगा. Already we have crossed the limit. So the program was planned out for around 30-35 minutes, and I believe Sheshadri sir had a class, so because of which he had to leave the meet in between. So in any case, I congratulate each and every one of you, and always I say they can because they think they can. आप अगर सोच सकते हैं तो उसे कर भी सकते हैं. तो इसलिए आप लोग ने इसको पूरा किया. तो ये तो मैं जस्ट आपको एक आइडिया दिया, लेकिन करने वाले आप लोग हैं. तो इसलिए मैं इसके लिए श्रेय नहीं ले सकता. तो श्रेय, credit goes to you, each and every one of you. Hats off to each and every one of you. You are our teachers. We are your students. So Bhatt sir was right in saying so. So you are our teachers. We should not be taking pride in we being your teachers. But these moments give us moments of pride also, because we feel we are blessed to have such students. Okay, चलो ज्यादा philosophy नहीं मारूंगा. आप लोग जल्दी से अपना जो भी क्लास है अटेंड करना है उसे अटेंड कीजिए. And please, I want this number to be sustained. This number should not come down. अभी हम 3 टीचर्स हैं और 50 बच्चे हैं. तो सीधी सी बात है, 50 के ऊपर ही रहना है. 64 तक लेकर जाना है इस नंबर को. ठीक है ना प्रज्वल? Who can take the assurance? We can't. Everyone has to live up to it. No one can take the whole burden on his or her shoulders. So continue the spirit, continue the enthusiasm. God bless you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for those wonderful words. Now, I would like to thank our principal to allow us to conduct this program. Then, I would like to thank our class teacher, Dr. Matthew Chako, sir, for guiding us throughout the program. Also, I would wish to thank all other teachers who could make their busy schedule to attend this program. Without them, this program would not have been successful. This Prajwal signing off. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Prajwal. Good luck.
Thank you. God bless you. God bless you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Again, happy
Bye,
Teachers Day.
sir. Happy Teachers Day. Proud to be your student.
Once again, happy Teachers
Good.
Day.
Teachers Day, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Once
Once again, happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy
Thank you.
Teachers Day, sir.
Very happy
Teachers Day.
Teachers Day, sir.
Thank you, you all.
Happy Teachers
Happy
Day.
Teachers Day, sir.
Yeah.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Okay. Thank you, bro.
Happy Teachers Day, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Dadia.